It is important to be socially responsible when starting a new business, and here's why. Hey y'all, I'm Lusia Donovan, but you can call me Lou. I started my first business at 19, and now I run and own 6 businesses, one of which I help entrepreneurs just like you set the foundation for their business. In this video, I'm going to cover the key steps to integrating social responsibility into your business model. I'm also going to talk about how you can implement ethical practices into your own business and a few tips you can do to help enhance social responsibility in your own business. To date, we have held aviation workshops at Aviate to nonprofit organizations with a youth focus. We've sponsored literacy programs and events for organizations, we've funded instructional flight times, and we've covered membership fees for our mentees to organizations such as OBAP, BPA, and LPA, and covered expenses for mentees to access ground school study resources on platforms such as King Schools. Here are the key parts that will help you integrate social responsibility into your business model. Integrating social responsibility is about adopting sustainable and ethical practices, like cutting down on energy use and waste. If you've got a team, it's also about creating a workplace where everyone feels respected and has chances to grow. Additionally, getting involved in your community through volunteering or partnerships is key, and being transparent in how you run things builds trust with everyone involved. Here's how you can implement ethical practices in your business. Implementing ethical practices in your own business deters unethical business practices from happening. While I always like to look at the best of humanity instead of focusing on the worst, it's inevitable as your team grows and the people you engage with grow that you may encounter a PURE, which is a potentially undetected recruitment error. I set ethical practices in motion through my company's policies and procedures, which includes checks and balances. For example, you may decide that when you hire your first virtual assistant, that all emails must be approved to send by you, and that you must be CC'd on them. Here are a few practical tips for enhancing social responsibility in your business. 1. Keep it simple and adopt one sustainable practice at a time into your company. 2. Implement ethical policies that prioritize fairness and inclusivity. And 3. Engage with your local community through volunteering and partnerships and support causes aligned with your values. And lastly, maintain transparency in operations and communicate results regularly to build trust with your stakeholders. Remember, when integrating social responsibility into your business, it's about adopting sustainable practices, fostering a supportive workplace culture, and engaging actively with the local community. By prioritizing ethical principles, transparency, and community involvement, small businesses can enhance their impact and reputation while contributing positively to society and the environment. Embracing these values not only builds trust with stakeholders, but also positions your business for long-term success and sustainability.